Go grab a sticker, it'll help you through. Get it from EllieBeth Designs. EllieBeth Designs. EllieBeth Designs. EllieBeth Designs. Brighten up every day. EllieBeth Designs. EllieBeth Designs. EllieBeth Designs. EllieBeth Designs. Brighten up every day.
Hi lovely people, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. You're joining me for the What's New Wednesday preview video, and once again this is the second video that the audio went wrong on, so I'm having to record it separately as a voiceover. Fun and games. So we're going to be having a look at things that are coming on Wednesday the 22nd. There's a mini collection called Lakeside, and I have some functional things as well. So recently I released some compact vertical kits for the Erin Condren compact vertical, the A5 that they recently came out with, and there will be those in this new Lakeside collection. But there were two particular stickers that I was planning the other week and discovered I wanted, and it was the tracker and the on my list. So I figured I would do some separate pages of those. So those are our first releases this week. So you've got 9 of them. They're not going to fit on, say, a EC vertical or hourly, but you could probably make use of them in the horizontal as well, or a bullet journal, or just other planners. Yeah, what am I talking about with my hands? Who knows? Probably about the sizing of the stickers. Do let me know if there's any other stickers from the compact vertical sheets that you want as well, because obviously we can make that happen too. So those are the first things. Next up, Helen, who's on my creative planning team, asked for more of the divider strips that we have got, and so I've done them in EllieBeth Rainbow, so those are there, and the Flora Neutrals, which is so pretty. I absolutely love that range, and the Lunar Rainbow as well. And one thing I did try out was I was doing some transparent stickers the other day for a customer's order, so I thought, oh, I'm going to pop these on and see what they're like, because I thought they would make good highlighter type strips, or again just use them as divider stickers, but I was actually thinking for highlighting certain things they'd be quite fun to do, so I'm going to have a play with those. So the collection that we have got is called Lakeside, and I painted my nails to match. Please notice this, because honestly these colours are just beautiful. We recently went up the Lake District for Elizabeth's birthday, and we went on a boat, and when I saw this artwork I thought, oh, I just want to do something to try and sort of pick out, I think I'm telling about my nails, about those particular that particular scenery and the things that involves. So here's a little bit of Lake Windermere when we went up last month, and you can see it kind of really reminded me of it with the sort of the trees and the hills, and then that was us setting off on our boat ride. Yes, Elizabeth absolutely loved it, as did I, and Eleanor, and Luke, and Lucy. Anyway, so back to the stickers. So first up we have got the full boxes. This is kind of a mini collection, so we've got a selection of things here. So we've got some double boxes on there, which I've been enjoying including in some kits recently. If you are a subscriber, you'll have seen that. That pattern along the washi I got a little bit obsessed with. It appears in quite a few places in this kit because I just love it so much. I've already mentioned about the fact this is a mini collection, so we've got journaling kit, 7x9, compact vertical weekly, we've got medium, small and daily. So this is a compact vertical which has been a recent addition to the shop. There are a few of these in there already in, I think, Summer Vibes, Floral Bloom, Happy Place, but basically you can get both sheets or the sheets individually. So this first one, you've got your washi there, you've got your box to cover over the calendar that's like Marmite, you either love it or hate it. You've got your brushstroke days and some dates, and I went for the brushstrokes because the sheets that I released, I think last year, were really popular of those, so they also mean that you've got enough space once you've put one of those in to also include one of the little flag stickers, so you can make the most of that space rather than covering over a big chunk of it with just the day. Got some checklists and other elements. And then on page B, which as I say you can get separately or as part of the whole thing, you've got more labels, you've got headers, you've got those list making areas and tracker which fit within the box on sheet A, and you've got your timelines from 8 till 6. And I guess, well, you could always cut those down if you needed to, but it's quite tricky to decide what hours to go with. Anyway, so that is the second page of the Compact Vertical Weekly, and it's been great seeing lots of people using those recently. The journaling kits are another recent addition to the lineup in the store. You can get all 4 pages as one kit, or you can get the pages separately, so you can pick and choose what you want to have. They are available on the subscription as well, by the way, in case you were wondering. So our first page has got all the different torn paper elements, a bit of deco and some washi, and again I really loved that striped pattern. It just makes me so happy to see it. It's just super pretty. Then we have our arrows, washi, deco and some headers on this second page, and a little photo frame, or perhaps a key memory that you want to remember. We've got page C has got lots of different headings, and again kind of the brush strokes, washi and deco, plus your days of the week, and you can layer everything together, and that's been really fun, I've found, using the journaling kits. And then finally you've got kind of a mixed element page also, with some larger pieces of deco and the circles, again great for layering. So we have those, and I really like that mug that says life is better on the lake. So that is the journaling kit. Now we come into probably some more familiar ground, although I think I'm telling you about the other journaling kits that are in the shop, which, if I recall, are Floral Bloom, Over the Rainbow, Summer Vibes and Happy Place. So there's a few in there to choose from, so potentially 16, 20 sheets of stickers. So yeah, lots of options. Right, let's have a look at some more stickers, shall we? Okay. So I am picking up the 7x9 full kit. So this is 4 pages, comes as a kit altogether, and is designed for 7x9 planners. So things like your Erin Condren vertical, hourly, anything with 1.5 inch columns really is going to work well with this. You've got your 2 strips of washi. Our quote is "Never stop dreaming," which I just thought was lovely. Just to have something a bit, inspirational. Should never stop dreaming. You've got lots of boxes and different headings and elements. Then this second page, your days and dates page. This I am considering being a replacement for the day-to-day life and the days and dates. You'll have to let me know what you think about that. And then we've got our third page has got more deco 1.5 boxes. And then washi, checklists, and again lots of icons, which most of the icons that I have got in these kits are now available in EllieBeth Rainbow, Lunar Rainbow and Flora Neutrals in the shop as well. And if they're not there, they will be very soon. In the next month or so I need to finish those off. Lots of things on the list, but those are on the list. So that is the full kit. If you just wanted a smaller option, then 2 pages, as shown on the screen at the moment, are the 2-page mini kit, or make the 2-page mini kit. Okay, so what am I on about? Something to do with colours, no doubt. I like colour. Right, we're going to have a look at the medium full 4-page kit now. So this is for the Hobonichi Cousin Passion Planner A5. So you have your kind of day headers there, you've got a couple of strips of washi. You do get a bit more deco in the medium and the small, just so you're aware, just because there's a bit more space, because the stickers themselves are smaller for the functional ones, so you do get a little bit more. Then your second page, I think I had a little bit of waxing lyrical about that flower and how pretty the blues are in it, but seriously, the blues are beautiful. Those circle stickers are actually designed as ring reinforcers. You've got a central part that will come out and be used for dots or bullet points. And then you get a little bit more washi in these as well. So that is then the 2-page mini kit, and if you are a Hobonichi Weeks user, you might want to go for the small option, which just replaces that first page with this one. that gives you the 2 sets of day covers. You've also got your bottom washi, and that is several pieces of washi stacked on each other, so they're different heights, if you see what I mean. Yeah. Then I also have kits for the daily. We've got the A5 daily for the daily duo or a bullet journal. They also fit the plum paper dailies as well, and 7x9 also. And again, just a really nice selection of stickers to use to set up your pages. At this point, I'd like to just share the gratitude prompt sheet for July. So you can pick this up and then go along with the gratitude challenge in the EllieBeth community Facebook group, and you've got all the stickers there to pop in your planner on the days that you would then do that prompt, and you've got one big sticker in case you want that instead. So this is all coming on Wednesday the 22nd of July at 6 p.m. EllieBeth time as usual, and I've decided that for What's New Wednesdays going forward, for the first 24 hours, I think I used to do this, there will be an extra 10% off all new releases, and that will be a stackable discount, so you can use other ones on top should you happen to have any other codes from creative planning team members or rainbow rewards. You can use those as well. So I really hope that you like the new releases. I'm really excited to use that Lakeside kit. The colours are just so perfect for summer, it seems. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you for bearing with me through my audio problems, and until next time, lovely people, take care and bye bye for now.